I've had this for about 2 months now. First I set it up on a temporary pole. I didn't want to mount permanently until I saw what the wireless coverage was like. Really great wireless coverage. Amazed how far it transmits, receives, and how well it penetrates my CBS built house walls. I mounted it permanently on the roof. Took care to level and align it to north, just works flawlessly. Really happy with this. We live in Florida, so weather is something we need to keep an eye on. Nice too how it tells us the UV level, which can get really intense around 2 o'clock. Great product. Just after the return window closed, the wind part of the mechanism is broken. It is wobbly and doesn't hardly spin. I guess I just have money to burn. Waited almost a year to replace the La Crosse one we had for 2 years, and this didn't last any time at all. Very disappointed update. I contacted the company and they were kind enough to send a new unit to me free of charge. I am still not convinced that this will last for me to get my money's worth out of it. I appreciate that they stand behind their product. We really like this product, except the sun up and sundown times don't populate. I think because we can't seem to get it to connect to the internet or open our server settings to enter info. Reading reviews, this is a common complaint. If possible to create app for this, I would do 5 stars. The display is large and bright, so it's easy to read from a distance. I like that it provides information about the sun intensity along with rain and wind. Installation was easy. The unit clamps to any pole and I was able to use some spare PVC and zip ties to get it collecting data. The range is pretty good, too. As I have the screen on the other side of the house from the gauge, there is no mobile app to check it remotely, but the screen will send data to Weather Underground and Weather Cloud. So I used the former and downloaded one of the many apps for those, which works anywhere.